Hello student, welcome to today's chemistry lecture alcohols, phenols and ethers. Now student, in last video lecture we have to seen the IUPAC nomenclature of phenols and some preparation method of alcohols. So let's see the some preparation methods. Okay student, so today we are going to discuss the preparation method of alcohols. There are 5 methods to prepare the alcohol. First one from alkyl halides, second one by acid catalyzed hydration of alkenes, third one hydroboration oxidation of alkene, fourth one by reduction of carbonyl compounds, and fifth one is the by addition of Grignard reagent to aldehydes and ketones. These are the 5 methods to prepare the alcohols. Now student, in last video lecture we have to seen how will you prepare alcohol from alkyl halides. ही जी मेथड आहे ही आपण लास्ट लेक्चरमध्ये डिस्कस करून झालेली आहे. ॲक्च्युली from alkyl halide by acid catalyzed hydration of alkenes and hydroboration oxidation of alkyls. These 3 reactions are already discussed in 11th standard. ह्या 3 रिॲक्शन ऑलरेडी आपण 11th स्टँडर्डमध्ये स्टडी करून झालेल्या आहेत. इथं फक्त आपण त्या रिवाइज करणार आहोत आणि पुढे जाणार आहोत. ओके, सो लेट्स सी द सेकंड रिॲक्शन by acid catalyzed hydration of alkene. By acid catalyzed म्हणजे काय, या ठिकाणी ॲसिड हा ॲज अ कॅटॅलिस्ट म्हणून रोल प्ले करणार आहे. हायड्रेशन ऑफ अल्किन्स मीन्स ॲडिशन ऑफ वॉटर मॉलिक्यूल इन प्रेझेन्स ऑफ अ ॲसिड, दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲसिड कॅटॅलाइज्ड हायड्रेशन ऑफ अल्किन. So let's see the example. First of all, we give the example acid catalyzed hydration of alkene. Okay, first example ethene. What is the formula? CH2 double bond CH2. This one is the ethene. When alkene reacts with sulfuric acid, it forms the alkyl hydrogen sulfate, and on this alkyl hydrogen sulfate on acid hydrolysis it gives the alcohol. कसं तयार होणार आहे, अल्किनची रिॲक्शन सुरुवातीला ॲसिड म्हणजे सल्फ्युरिक ॲसिड बरोबर होणार आहे, त्याच्यापासून अल्किल हायड्रोजन सल्फेट तयार होईल आणि त्याचं हायड्रॉलिसिस झालं की त्याच्यापासून आपल्याला अल्कोहोल तयार होतो. ओके, सो लेट्स सी द रिॲक्शन. दिस वन इज द इथिन reacts with sulfuric acid. What is the formula? H2SO4. Okay, this H2SO4 will be split in this way, HSO3H. Okay, this one is the sulfuric acid. 2 hydrogens, 4 oxygens, 1 sulfur. It forms the alkyl hydrogen sulfate. This H2SO4 add across to carbon-carbon double bond, so it forms the alkyl hydrogen sulfate. This alkene is the symmetrical alkene, that's why it simply add across to the carbon-carbon double bond. When this molecule is unsymmetrical, then addition of sulfuric acid according to Markovnikov's rule. Okay, so here we add simply across to the carbon-carbon double bond. H attaches to this carbon, single bond, H2OSO3H. What is the name of compound? Ethyl hydrogen sulfate. What is the example? Ethyl hydrogen sulfate. Okay, this one is the name of that compound. On acid hydrolysis, HOH. Okay, HOH add together, so H gives O minus and H2SO4 is released. So here CH3, CH2OH plus H2SO4 which is used as a catalyst which is released in the reaction. Acid हा catalyst आहे. कॅटॅलिस्ट म्हणजे जो फक्त रिॲक्शनचा रेट इन्क्रीज करतो, प्रोडक्टमध्ये इन्वॉल्व होत नाही. तसंच या ठिकाणी हा या प्रोडक्टमध्ये आलाय का? नाही आला. तो पुन्हा काय झालाय? बाहेर पडलाय. व्हॉट इज द नेम ऑफ कंपाऊंड? इथिल अल्कोहोल. What is the name of compound? Ethyl alcohol. In this way, we can prepare alcohol from alkene. Okay? Understood? Next, we can see the, if this one is the unsymmetrical alkene, so addition of sulfuric acid to unsymmetrical alkene according to Markovnikov's rule. Okay? Then next, हायड्रोबोरेशन ऑक्सिडेशन ऑफ अल्किन. ह्या 3 रिॲक्शन ऑलरेडी आपण 11th मध्ये डिस्कस केलेल्या आहेत. इथं आपण ह्या रिव्हिजन ओरिएंटेड अशा पाहतोय. नेक्स्ट वन आहे हायड्रोबोरेशन ऑक्सिडेशन रिॲक्शन्स. हायड्रोबोरेशन मीन्स ॲडिशन ऑफ डायबोरेन कंपाऊंड इन अल्किन टू फॉर्म द trialkyl borane which on oxidation with hydrogen peroxide in alkaline medium it gives the alcohol. काय रिॲक्शन बघा? when the alkene react with diborane it gives trialkyl borane. okay, which on ऑक्सिडेशन म्हटलंय, बरोबर आहे. सो विच ऑन ऑक्सिडेशन बाय हायड्रोजन परऑक्साइड in presence of alkaline medium H2O2 in presence of alkaline medium it gives alcohol. Okay, so this one is the hydroboration reactions. This one is the theoretical part. Let's see the some example. Here we can take propene CH3 CH double bond CH2. What is the name of compound? Propene. React with diborane means B2H6. It can be written as BH3 twice. या पद्धतीने आपण लिहू शकतो. ओके, सो प्लस BH3 twice it gives trialkyl borane. म्हणजे काय बघा, बोरॉनला किती हायड्रोजन आहेत? 3. ते 3 हायड्रोजन या ग्रुपने रिप्लेस करायचेत, बरोबर आहेत. ते 3 हायड्रोजन या ग्रुपने रिप्लेस करायचेत. हायड्रोजन कुठे जाणार आहे? कार्बन नंबर 2 ला. सो लेट्स सी द बोरॉन. 1 2 3. पहिला कंपाऊंड CH3 CH2. इथला एक हायड्रोजन इथं ॲड झाला. सो इट फॉर्म्स द CH2. हिअर CH2. ओके, second hydrogen add to here CH3 CH2 CH2. again CH3 CH2 CH2. how many times this? 2 times. मग आता हे मॉलिक्युल्स किती झाले? 1 2 3. 3 दुने 6. इकडे 6 आहेत का? नाही आहेत. सो हिअर राईट द 6 and to balance the reaction. what is the name of compound? Tripropyl borane. What is the name of compound? Tripropyl borane. So its name is tripropyl borane. Got it? Okay. Then on oxidation by using peroxide and the alkaline medium it gives the alcohol. याचंच काय केलं? पुन्हा ऑक्सिडेशन केलं. मग आतला पण यातला एकच मॉलिक्यूल घेतला. या ठिकाणी ह्याचे किती आहेत? 3 आणि हे 2. त्यातला किती घ्यायचा आपण? एकच घ्यायचा. सो CH3 CH2 CH2 बोरॉन असे 2 आहेत. त्यातला किती घेतला आपण? एकच घेतला. रिॲक्ट विथ H2O2 OH minus. This boron replaced by the hydroxyl group. It gives CH3 CH2 CH2 OH. What is the name of compound? Propyl alcohol. Propyl alcohol. Okay, this one is the preparation method of alcohol from hydroboration oxidation of alkene. Okay, So these three reactions are already discussed in 11th standard. These are revised in here. Okay, then next one, by reduction of carbonyl compound. Let's see the next reaction. By reduction of which number? Fourth, by reduction of carbonyl compounds. Okay, first of all, understood the meaning of that point. Reduction means addition of hydrogen and removal of oxygen. रिडक्शन करायचे म्हणजे या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला हायड्रोजनची ॲडिशन करायची इन प्रेझेन्स ऑफ आयदर कॅटलिस्ट ऑर द युझिंग द रिड्युसिंग एजंट. ओके, सेकंड वन, कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड्स means the bonding between carbon and oxygen. That compounds are the carbonyl compounds. So what are the carbonyl compounds? First one, aldehyde. Second one, ketones. Third one, carboxylic acid. These are the carbonyl compound in which the bonding between carbon and oxygen. What are the compounds? Aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. These are the carbonyl compounds. याच्यापेक्षा सुद्धा वेगळे आहेत पण आपल्याला या ठिकाणी या तिघांचं स्टडी करायचं आहे. So what is the structure of aldehydes? R C double bond O H. This one is the structure of aldehyde. What is the structure of ketones? R C double bond O R dash. R dash and R may be same or different. Third one, carboxylic acid. What is the structure? R C O O H. So these three compounds contain the carbonyl group. Here one, and here one. So these three are the carbonyl compound. हे जे तीन कंपाउंड्स आहेत अल्डिहाइड, केटोन्स आणि कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड हे कार्बोनिल ग्रुप इन्व्हॉल्व करतात. कार्बोनिल ग्रुप म्हणजे द बॉन्डिंग इन बिटवीन कार्बन अँड ऑक्सिजन. So that's why these three compounds are the carbonyl compounds. So in this reaction, by reduction of carboxylic compound includes the two types of reaction. First one, by the reduction of aldehydes and ketones, and third one by the reduction of carboxylic acid. So first of all, we discuss the by the reduction of aldehydes and ketones. Okay, what is the meaning of reduction? Addition of hydrogen and removal of oxygen atom by using the reducing agent. Here we can use either reduction by addition of hydrogen in presence of a nickel or the palladium, or lithium aluminum hydride is the stronger reducing agent which reduces the aldehyde into primary alcohol and ketones into secondary alcohol. म्हणजेच काय म्हटलं बघा, ज्यावेळी अल्डिहाइडचं रिडक्शन होणार आहे, अल्डिहाइड्स ऑन रिडक्शन by using addition of hydrogen in presence of nickel or the palladium as a catalyst, or the using lithium aluminum hydride as a reducing agent, it forms the primary alcohol. Okay, now when the reduction of ketones by using addition of hydrogen and the lithium aluminum hydride, it gives the secondary alcohol. Okay, this one are the theoretical part. So let's see the actual reaction of reduction of aldehyde and ketones. So first of all, reduction of aldehydes. सुरुवातीला आपण अल्डिहाइडचे रिडक्शन करणार आहोत. What is the structure of aldehyde? which is already on board, R C double bond O H. This one is the aldehyde. What is the structure? R C double bond H. Addition of hydrogen in presence of a nickel or a Raney nickel. Raney nickel लिहा किंवा simply nickel लिहा. Raney nickel or the palladium heat it. दोन हायड्रोजन आहेत, कुठे जोडायचे आहेत? अक्रॉस टू कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड ऑक्सिजन. याच्या अक्रॉस मध्ये आपल्याला हे दोन हायड्रोजन जोडायचे. H. एक हायड्रोजन या कार्बनला दिला, एक हायड्रोजन ऑक्सिजनला दिला, डबल बॉन्ड ब्रेक झाला. सो हियर RCH, याला एक हायड्रोजन दिलाय, ऑलरेडी एक आहे. सो 1 2 CH2. हियर OH. Hydroxyl group attaches to that carbon which is primary carbon. So this one is the primary alcohol. Okay, let's give the one example. Acetaldehyde CH3 C double bond OH. Addition of hydrogen in presence of a nickel or the palladium as a catalyst, heat it. Two hydrogen add across to the carbon double bond oxygen. So here CH3 CH2 OH. What is the name of compound? Ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. In this way we can prepare alcohol from acetaldehyde or the simply aldehyde. Means when we reduce the aldehyde, it gives the primary alcohol. हे या ठिकाणी आपल्याला लक्षात ठेवणं गरजेचं आहे. Then next, reduction of ketones. Next one, reduction of ketones. When we reduce the ketones by using addition of hydrogen in presence of a Raney nickel or the palladium, it gives the secondary alcohol. So let's see the example. Ketone, it's a general formula RC double bond O R dash. This one is the ketone. On reduction means addition of hydrogen in presence of a nickel or palladium or lithium aluminum hydride as a reducing agent. Heat it. Now when heat it, this hydrogen add across to carbon double bond oxygen. So it gives RCH2, here H, here R dash and here OH. Now in this structure, OH attaches to that carbon. This one is the secondary type. So this one is the secondary alcohol. Okay. This one is the general reaction. Let's see the example. Propanone means CH3 C double bond O CH3. R and R dash are same. What is the name of compound? Propanone. On reduction means addition of hydrogen in presence of a nickel or the palladium as a catalyst, heat it. Now addition of hydrogen across to carbon double bond oxygen. H attaches to the carbon and second H attaches to the oxygen group. So it gives CH3 CH OH CH3. In this structure, OH or the hydroxyl group attaches to the secondary type of carbon atom. That's why this one is the secondary alcohol. What is the name of compound? First one is the common name, isopropyl alcohol. Okay. IUPAC name. For writing the IUPAC name, select the longest continuous chain of carbon atom. 1, 2, 3. So propane 2OL is the IUPAC name. In this way, we can prepare secondary alcohol from the ketones. Okay. Third one, by reduction of carboxylic acid. By reduction of carboxylic acid by using a stronger reducing agent like lithium aluminum hydride and the hydrolysis. It gives a alcohol, and it gives the primary alcohol. Means what is the structure of carboxylic acid? R C double bond O OH. Lithium aluminum hydride and acidic hydrolysis. It gives the primary alcohol CH2R CH2OH. This one is the carboxylic acid and this one is the primary alcohol. Okay, when we reduce the carboxylic acid, it first convert into ester and then this ester is converted into alcohol. कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिडचं रिडक्शन करत असताना सुरुवातीला त्याचं इस्टरमध्ये कन्व्हर्जन होतं आणि इस्टरचं नंतर अल्कोहोलमध्ये. या पद्धतीनं आपण हे कार्बोनिल कंपाऊंडपासून अल्कोहोल तयार करू शकतो. नेक्स्ट वन, ॲडिशन ऑफ ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजंट टू अल्डिहाइड अँड केटोन. लास्ट वन मेथड, ॲडिशन ऑफ Grignard reagent. Fifth one, addition of Grignard reagent to aldehydes and ketones. Okay. Grignard reagent means alkyl magnesium halide is nothing but a Grignard reagent. So, addition of Grignard reagent to aldehyde. First of all, see the addition of Grignard reagent to aldehydes. Here we can use the general formula RMgX. This one is the Grignard reagent. Reacts with aldehyde. Structure RC double bond OH in presence of a dry ether as a solvent. Okay. This magnesium is a divalent. So these species are the negatively charged. So this negatively charged alkene attaches to the carbonyl carbon and this electrons goes towards the oxygen atom. So here prepare the R, H, here R, O minus. O minus ला काय अटॅच होईल? MgX. This one is the complex compound on acid hydrolysis. Okay, so here H attaches to the oxygen, OH attaches to the Mg. So here we'll give R, C, H, R, OH plus Mg. एका बाजूला X, एका बाजूला OH. काय तयार झालंय हे? R, CH, OH, R. This one is the secondary alcohol. म्हणजेच ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजंटची ॲडिशन ज्यावेळी तुम्ही अल्डिहाइडमध्ये करणार आहात त्यावेळी तुम्हाला काय मिळणार आहे? सेकंडरी अल्कोहोल तयार होणार. व्हॉट इज द प्रिपेअर्ड हिअर? सेकंडरी अल्कोहोल. देन ॲडिशन ऑफ ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजंट टू carbonyl compound, that is ketone. Next reaction, addition of Grignard reagent to ketones. What is the structure of ketones? C double bond O R dash. React with Grignard reagent means alkyl magnesium halide in presence of dry ether. Now here Mg is the 2 plus divalent. So these are the negatively charged species. So this negatively charged species alkene group attaches to the carbonyl carbon. These electrons goes towards the oxygen. This one is the ketone. So here R, this one is the R dash. Here O minus MgX and these are the R. This one is the complex compound on acid hydrolysis, means addition of water molecule in presence of acid. So here H attaches to the oxygen and negatively charged attaches to the Mg. So here prepare R, C, OH, R, R dash plus Mg, X, OH. What is the name of compound? In this structure, OH or the hydroxyl group attaches to the tertiary carbon atom. That's why this one is the tertiary alcohol. In this way, when we add the ketones or the Grignard reagent into ketones, it gives the tertiary alcohol. And when we add the Grignard reagent to aldehyde, it gives the secondary alcohol. Okay. So, student, in today's lecture, we discussed only the preparation method of alcohols in details. Remaining part of this chapter will be discussed in next video lecture. Thank you.